Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing this rhinestone look where I'll be placing rhinestone on my face. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my lash glue. I'm going to be putting that directly on the rhinestone and I'll be putting that on my face gently. See how it looks? I'm just going to press that down so that it can be firm. Loving the look already. So now I'm just going to continue doing that. Closer look at the rhinestone I'm using. This is it, the pink rhinestones. I'm going to link where I got these rhinestones in the description down below. I'm just going to gently dab my lash glue onto the rhinestone, and then I'm just going to place it on my face. You can see the look is already coming together. I am just going to gently do the same thing here, dabbing my lash glue onto the rhinestone and placing it on my face. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take the large piece of the rhinestone. I'm going to be placing this near my eyebrow. I'm just going to be gently dabbing my lash glue onto the rhinestone. And I'm going to be placing it here. This look is a very easy look. It's not time consuming. I am just going to continue applying the stones until I like the final outcome. I am done with this side of my face. Very nice and simple, nothing too extravagant, just a very simple look. Now I'm just going to take the other type of stones and apply it on my face. I've already applied glue to it. I'm just placing this down here. I'm applying the glue off camera because I already did so earlier. I just want to try these stones to see how they look when they are chunked up together. Just carefully placing the stones down so that they look all nice. I just want to see the stones chunked up together. That's why I'm trying this on the other side of my face. This is the finished look, guys. I like how the pink stones came out. I'll try the other stones in a better way next time because honestly I'm not really feeling this. Guys, you can leave a comment on the type of videos you want to see on my channel. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.